Welcome to our class, dears. How are you all? I think all are fine and safe. Thoughts of the day. If you love life, don't waste time. For time is what life is made up of. This meaning is always respect the time and never waste it in life because life is made up of time and we can never get back the time which one passes. So, to truly love life is to never waste the time. So, dears, hereafter you must follow the time. In time, you have to finish whatever work you have. Time is precious, so don't waste the time. Now, I am going to take English class synonyms. My dears, what is synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. Synonyms na same meanings. It delivers same meanings. That is called what? Synonyms. For example, synonyms children, kids, same. Children's nalu, kids nalu same meaning. Then presents, gift. Presents means what? Gift. Presents means what? Gift. Children means kids. Now listen students. Now we are going to see synonyms with picture. Cold, chilly, large, big. Mad, angry, silent, quiet. Simple, easy, sleepy, tired. House, home, trash, garbage. Tiny, small, ill, sick. Fast, quick, noisy, loud. Now we are going to see list of synonyms. Last time we saw what a picture with synonyms. Now words only. Advanced, developed. Advanced means what? Developed. Bold, brave. Bold, brave. Garden, box. Garden, box. Dangerous, risky. Dangerous means risky. Eager, Dirasus, eager, Dirasus, famous, well known, handsome, pretty, link, join, maximum, most, obvious, clear, recused, beg, shiver, tremble, tender, soft, eternally, completely, latest, modern, ancient, old, blank, empty, circular, round, dense, thick, feeble, weak, final, lost. Final means what? Lost. Foolish, chilly. Foolish means chilly. Mingle, mix. Splendor, slim. Threatened, one. Latest, modern. Latest means what? Modern. Reality, fat. Explore, search. Despair, homeless. Despair means what? Homeless. Cunning, craft. Cunning means what? Craft. Okay. Cunning, craft. Next one. Able, capable. Accomplished, achieve. Wrong, incorrect. Unmarried, single. Idea, thought. Total, entire. Choose, select. Choose means what? Select. Suggest, propose, suggest, propose. Writer, author. Writer means what? Author. Yearly, annually. Yearly, annually. Sundown, sunset. Sundown, sunset. Bucket, rough. Bucket, rough. Add, strange. Add, strange. Important, significant. Important, significant. Look, endless. Look, endless. Buy, purchase. Buy, purchase. Hat, cap. Hat, cap. Uncommon, unusual. Unusual. Value, worth. Value, worth. Job, work. Job means work. And finish. And finish. Outside, exterior. Outside, exterior. Allow, every. Allow, every. Have, process. Have, process. Fast, quick. Fast, quick. Neat, tidy. Neat, tidy. Business, trade. Business means what? Trade. Quiet, peaceful. Quiet means what? Peaceful. Right, record. Right means what? Record. Quiet, pretty. Quiet means what? Pretty. This all the one were meanings. So you have to by heart it fully. Next one, speak, talk. Speak means what? Talk. Fast, quick. Fast means quick. Ill, sick. Near, close. Near means what? Close. Start, begin. Start, begin. Rise, lift. Rise, lift. Under, below. Under, below. Angry, mad. One, single. One means what? Single. Keep, hold. Keep means hold. And finish. And finish. Respect, honor. Respect, honor. Get, receive. Get means receive. Glad, happy. True, correct. Old, ancient. Next synonyms. Pan, pot. Pan, pot. Slow, lazy. Slow, lazy. Blaze, fire. Blaze, fire. Ego, before. Costly, expensive. Costly, expensive. Ice, snow. Ice, snow. Join, unite. Join, unite. Begin, start. Begin, start. Cardam, box. Cardam, box. Ceiling, roof. Ceiling, roof. Fem, strong. Fem, strong. Tender, soft. Tender, soft. Stiff, hard. Occur, happen. Occur, happen. Old, ancient. Old, ancient. Opportunity, chance. Opportunity, chance. Page, sheet. Page, sheet. Beautiful, pretty. Beautiful, pretty. Peaceful, quiet. Peaceful, quiet. Quiet means silent. Quiet, silent. Reject, deny. Reject, deny. Rest, relax. Rest, relax. Rich, wealthy. Rich, wealthy. Gross, rough. Gross, rough. Round, circular. Round, circular. Sad, unhappy. Sad, unhappy. Rug, carpet. Rug, carpet. Scared, afraid. Scared, afraid. Ask, enquire. Ask, enquire. Blend, mix. Blend, mix. Sick, ill. Sick, ill. sincere, honest, sincere, honest, slim, thin, slim, thin, small, tiny, small, tiny, smart, clever, smart, clever, taxi, cab, taxi, cab, trust, believe, trust, believe, unfortunate, unlucky, unfortunate, unlucky, unfortunate, unlucky, value, worth, value, worth, want, desire, want, desire, wonderful, amazing, wonderful, amazing, right, record, right, record, writer, author, writer, author. These all the one were synonyms. Already I said synonyms is the word that means exactly or nearly the same as other word. Okay, childrens, this is the synonyms. Now I am going to give a worksheet for synonyms. This one is a worksheet of synonyms. You have to color them using the same color. Same color na here example given no rich, wealthy. Rich, wealthy they are given a color. So like that you have to color and correct the answer. சரியா? Now I am going to read all the one. First line good, thin, real, very, rough, rich, famous, slim, tired, afraid, coarse, wealthy, popular, scared, nice, genuine. These are the words. Okay, children, you have to color the same synonyms. Already I gave an example for before. You have to learn it and by heart it, and you have to do it this worksheet. After finishing you have to do this worksheet. One more worksheet really also children, I give. This is a next worksheet. This one is a match of following of synonyms. Match the following. Okay, now I am going to read all the one. You have to do it. Last worksheet I gave that one. You have to color the correct same meaning. This one you have to find out the correct one with the match. சரியா? Next, first one finish, journey, lamp, money, midday. This line again I am reading. Finish, journey, lamp, money, midday. Okay, children. Now I am going to read opposite. Opposite means opposite side. Okay, now I am going to read opposite side. Light, cash, noon, end, trip. Light, cash, noon, end, trip. Side by side you have to do your worksheet also. Okay, students, before having answer you have to by heart it and do it this synonyms. Synonyms means meaning. Last year you studied no meanings, that one only. Okay, students, now we are going to see antonyms. Last class we saw what? Synonyms. This class we are going to see antonyms. Antonyms means what? Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. It has opposite meaning. Synonyms same meaning. Antonyms opposite meaning. It is giving the opposite meaning. Last class you studied no opposite. That only the here calling synonyms. Okay. Antonyms is rooted in Greek language. Greek language la opposites. Okay. Anti means opposite. Anti means opposite. Okay. A word that has the exact opposite meaning of other word is it antonyms. Okay children, now we are going to see the example of antonyms. Sunny opposite what? Cloudy. Sunny na opposite cloudy. Here some antonyms words are here. You have to listen it. Dirty. Dirty opposite what? Clean. Dirty, clean. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Light, dark. Light, dark. Pull, push, pull. Rich, poor. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Next opposite words. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Cry, laugh. Cry, laugh. Big, small. Big, small. Old, young. Old, young. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Asleep, awake. Asleep, awake. Funny, serious. Funny, serious. Bad, good. Bad, good. Sweet, sour. Sweet, sour. Day, night. Day, night. Noisy, quiet. Noisy, quiet. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. So here also some opposite words with pictures. In, out. In, out. Cold, hot. Cold, hot. Short, long. Short, long. Down, up. Down, up. Left, right. Left, right. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Difficult, easy. Difficult, easy. Closed, open. Closed, open. Kick, punch. Kick, punch. High, low. High, low. Light, dark. Light, dark. Sad, happy. Sad, happy. Work, play. Work, play. Bad, good. Bad, good. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Obey, disobey. Obey, disobey. Poor, rich. Poor, rich. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Beauty, ugliness. Beauty, ugliness. Careful, careless. Careful, careless. Entry, exceed. Entry, exceed. Far, near. Far, near. Remember, forget. Remember, forget. Swim, drawn. Swim, drawn. Question, answer. Question, answer. Listless, active. Listless, active. Full, empty. Full, empty. Future, past. Future, past. Maximum, minimum. Maximum, minimum. Above, below. Above, below. Add, subtract. Add, subtract. All, none. All, none. Alone, together. Alone, together. Always, never. Always, never. back, front, back, front, before, after, before, after, begin, end, begin, end, big, little, big, little, cold, hot, cold, hot, cool, warm, cool, warm, dark, light, dark, light, difficulty, difficult, easy, difficult, easy, dry, wet, dry, wet, early, late, early, late, east, west, east, west, empty, full, empty, full, enter, exceed, enter, exceed, even, add, even, add, fat, fiction, fat, fiction, first, last, first, last, get, give, get, give, he, she, she, high, low, high, low, inside, outside, inside, outside, jolly, serious, jolly, serious, no, guess, no, guest, last, first, last, first, leave, stay, leave, stay, left, right, left, right, loud, quiet, loud, quiet, most, least, most, least, near, far, near, far, north, south, north, south, on, off, on, off, open, close, open, close, over, under, over, under, part, whole, part, whole, part, whole, play, work, play, work, private, public, private, public, push, pull, push, pull, question, answer, question, answer, rise, lower, rise, lower, right, wrong, right, wrong, sad, happy, sad, happy, safe, dangerous, safe, dangerous, same, different, same, different, sit, stand, sit, stand, sweet, sour, sweet, sour, there, here, there, here, throw, catch, throw, catch, tie, untie, tie, untie, true, false, true, false, up, down, up, down, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, wet, dry, wet, dry, wide, narrow, wide, narrow, win, lose, win, lose, young, old, young, old, zip, unzip, zip, unzip, good, bad, good, bad, hard, soft, hard, soft, heavy, light, heavy, light, here, there, here, there, high, low, high, low, hot, cold, hot, cold, left, left, right, light, dark, long, short, near, far. Okay, children, now we saw what antonyms. Okay, words with a picture. Okay, I think all the one understood. Okay, children, you have to by guard it all the one. Next, I will give a worksheet for antonyms. Okay. Hi, my dears. This is a worksheet for antonyms. You have to do this worksheet. You have to try, just to try. Okay. Now I am going to read all the questions. Dry, messy, right, asleep, pretty, hot, small, night, bad, fast, noisy, angry, icy, easy, friend, rich. This is the answer for questions. These questions downside they given now. So you have to write the answer for that questions. Okay, now I am going to read the question. Big, good, wet, clean, enemy, slow, difficult, day, happy, soft, poor, ugly, quiet, wrong, hot, awake. These are the words given for this antonyms. You have to write the correct answer. You just do it for. Okay, children, you just try and do it and by heart it fully. This one is the second worksheet. This one both one having synonyms and antonyms having. They given first one for example beginning. Begin what is the synonyms means start, antonyms end. So you have to by heart and write these remaining words. You have to learn and write these words. Finish, glad, shout, unkind, tiny, near, purchase. You have to write synonyms and antonyms for these words. Okay, dear children. In this video, we saw synonyms and antonyms. I think all the one were understood. Thank you, students, for watching this video. Thank you so much.